go in the French pavilion and they will show you more interesting about them.
Is it running already? Okay, perfect. So hello everyone and welcome to the French Pavilion in Computex in the Innovac Zone, of course dedicated to startups, to the Asian markets, to autonomous players after ambient light, so it could be integrated into different IoT devices or edge devices.
And also you can upload any of the picture to the album or select any photos that have ever been detected.
Okay, thank you for sharing. And now we are going to the next topic.
Hello everyone. Requirements, like let's say you have multiple trees of those species, here's really nice mango, and hopefully save the planet because every single tree matters. And older ones are much better in this case than the young ones. So, any questions? Thank you so much. Enjoy your
from the Taiwan companies, and we have also three exhibitions from the Japan, UK, and also
The start to the finish, we can for the AI development.
alright. Yeah, so everyone please come to this meeting.
And here is
Why BlueMind is special is because we leverage analog compute technology, at least slower. Sometimes it can be 1,000 times slower. So this will be a lot of energy. So your battery life for your Bluetooth phone, it will be very to make it happen. So please be expecting. Thank you for your coming.
Business already today and in the near future. So let's start with what we already doing here. So Picture is basically a wireless product that removes all the cables, make it very easy to use your displays, your USB peripherals. So again, our app detects that you know I'm sharing something, so you know what I'm sharing.
Hello, nice to meet you guys. So everybody's here. So fantastic. Nice to meet you guys. My name is Bernard Café. I am CEO at Jovem Genius. We are from Brazil. Yes. So we are a technical company. We use, and in your opinion, Taiwan is a nice place to start.
And power efficiency. So very good for the future 5G, and also they have a special chip for satellite communication for the lower Earth orbit. You guys in tech, such as IoT, in industrial automation, Australia currently manufactured by TSMC, and we have CubeTape.
There is a big ECG machine right there. So we have converted that big ECG machine to a small 12. Location intelligence. So any sort of the data, talk about the CCTV video or
give me a big smile.
मेरा बैग है ठीक है तुम बात करो
It's not like